Yo, welcome boys. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Today we're going with high energy, bro. Last night I was about to go to bed. I was already tired as shit, but today is a new month. Today is the 1st of October 2025. I've never seen this day in my life. So I'm about to get crazy, bro. As you can see, the time is just over 5:40. I think it's the same over here as well. So we just started this stream and yeah, we're about to get it, man. We're about to get this shit rolling. So, in order for us to start this in and actually make some progress, we need to see where we were yesterday. So yesterday I was trying to do a little bit of understanding the project and everything, but man, fuck all that weak shit, man. Mind the language. So I'm gonna start like implementing things as fast as I can and start moving as quick as I can because it seems like we're still in the same spot that we've been for a long time. Although we're streaming every day, not every day, but we're streaming daily and counting the days as we go. So we need to actually make it worth it, right? We need to start. I want to start increasing the amount of time that I stream. I don't really know yet how fast I'm going to move, but I plan to move as fast as possible. So without further ado, the first step is as easy as P. First step is to continue from where we left off and try to make as much progress as possible today. With all the techniques we've learned, we're about to implement everything today. So please stay tuned for that. And without further ado, let's start the stream. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, sorry, I just need the music. But this is the music that made me sleep last night, bro. I can't do that no more. So I'm gonna find let me see if I can get something better than that. Alright. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Alright boys. So where were we? Where were we? Let me look at this little fella. Where were we? But we might have to even create a new repository, bro, and start from scratch. Because I don't like the progress we made so far. I feel like we could make more progress. And because of that, I think I'm going to actually try to implement more progress today. So yeah, boys, we ain't gonna take more time. We ain't gonna take more time. No more Mr. Nice Guy, bro. No more Mr. Nice Guy, bro. Let's get into the workstation quick. Alright, boys. Were you guys able to see the timer? I mean, I'm trying to show you guys the time. I hope you're able to see it now because I don't know. We just had a little complication earlier. Anyway, this is the time that we're working with, alright? It's still 3 a.m. in some places, but right now it is, 4. It's almost 5 a.m. in Paris. But right now for us it is 5:43, so we have to work with that time. We can't be dulling like this. So yeah, like I said, we're starting, and sorry that I had to go through all that shit, man. It was crazy. like the speed we're moving at right now, man. I haven't really done deep work like this in a long time. I'm not going to lie to you guys, man. I've been just really taking my time with it, slow and steady. But I think that was because I was trying to implement a new kind of strategy. And now I think we've already done that. So, you know what I'm saying? We got to like dive right in. I don't even know if we did this for the other one. The Next.js thing. Did we? Yeah, we just did that. So, anyway, let's dive right in. Oh shit, Skittles. Did we save it? Yeah, we saved it in Notion tab. Bruh, I almost started off fresh, man. Like, literally, bruv. Literally, bruv. Almost had to start off from fresh. Thank you, Lord. Anyway, we felt a little bit down from yesterday, but we're not going to think about that anymore. We're just going to dive right into work and get it done. What's wrong with intermission, bro? I think you guys are stuck. Wait, am I tripping right now? You guys are stuck in intermission. You've not been seeing me work all this while, though. What's going on? Yo, chat, give me a minute. Let me figure this out. It's just been like that since. And nobody said anything in chat. I didn't even know that this was the issue. Let me just do this and hit it again with the... Yeah, I think it should work now. Because... Yeah, I think it's working now, isn't it? Bro, sometimes, man. Anyway, we're back on. I just checked it now that you guys are not actually seeing the screen. My bad, boys. I'm so sorry. I didn't know that was the case, but now we fixed it, so we're good. And showing us different phases, right? So we have an MVP we want to launch, guys. We need to launch this shit, man. I'm so excited to launch this thing. Like, I just saw someone that was working with me that started the same project with me. Not same project with me, but started like, I met him at day 30, and now he's on day 40, and he's made so much progress, and I'm like, wow, that's consistency, right? So, I know we've not been consistent, chat. I know we've not been consistent, but ever since I lost this project, ever since I lost the opportunity to actually go and pitch this thing for this company, yesterday I was showing you guys something. How I lost, I was going to go for this pitch commission that's happening in my city, and before I could register, they already closed up the portal, and it really hurts. I'm not going to lie to you, it really hurt my ass, but, right, we can't just let that shit, determine what's going to happen, or determine our future, or determine where we end up in this process and this build. So we have to keep working at it, we have to keep grinding, like there's no fucking tomorrow, bro. So that's the goal. The goal now is to grind like there's no tomorrow. You want to bridge this, and I have these steps. This is like this is localhost. Now you gotta go. Plus, chat, if you have like the best recommendations for apps, right? I'd love it. Let me fix the camera. It seems like my camera is too... Wait, give me a minute. Do this. Take it back. Or do this. Take this. Ah, shit, bro. Trying to fix my cam real quick. I think I made it worse. Yo, is it better now? Is it better now? I know my camera, I'm really streaming somewhere else, so it's not really like the background we're used to, but chat, see, believe. We have a process here. There's a process to these things. There's a process to these things. There's a process to these things. We got it though. So positive energy, let's get it. I got my water with me, just to get dehydrated. Pretty early in the morning too. So anyway, boys, let's get it. So we want to implement but I hope that this attempt is right, because if it's wrong, it will be bigger than we expected. I need my pen, bro. Ah, shit. Anyway. I think I have a monorepo cursor rule here, right? If I don't have it, I'll just get it from here. That right there. See what this is telling us to do. let's get that shit. Let's get it. Let's get popping. Let's get popping. Let's get popping. Come on, boys. Come on. So the thing about me is that I don't have as much funding and capital as other creators that would be doing this kind of undertaking. So doing this kind of project is really a big challenge because I don't have the tools. I just have only Cursor that I'm working with because I'm doing everything with only Cursor. There is no Cloud Code. There's none of these other agents that are really powerful. Even ChatGPT-5, I only get the free version. So I'm basically showing you how it is to start from scratch, literally. No, because it's a new template. No. I'm talking with no money, with nothing. We're doing this shit. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's the idea behind everything. The fan is becoming very noisy. I'm gonna turn it off real quick. Let's see if we can get more freedom. Chat, we're back. So, yeah, what's next? The project is monitorable. The first two critical steps involved. Prompt 1, define and scope it. Goal, establish foundational documents for all requirements, configurator, and technology. Tenancy model. Multi-tenancy enforce data separation via this by database query. That's kickoff. So we have 3 phases to go over. Welcome to the chat. Yeah, you know we're always grinding, bro. Let's get it. You know, last night, let me just give you a little recap. So last night, we tried to do some implementation. We were still planning though, but I ended up being tired and falling asleep. And I realized that there's so much more we could do from day to day, right, to get our goal. And so now, because I was trying to, I tried to apply for this funding, right, and because I couldn't get that funding right yesterday, it really gave me was a bummer, right. We tried to apply, but they told us that we are not yet, we're too late to register. So I decided that the goal has always been, as it was been before, is to get to the MVP as fast as possible. Luckily for us, we have this new implementation strategy that we're going with, and yeah, we'll see how fast we move now. It's gonna be way quicker. But welcome to the chat. Welcome to the chat. Thanks for stopping by. Appreciate it, my guy. Okay. So we've done this step. We are in phase 2 now of the first step, which is preparing for our monorepo structure. We have to start afresh because vibe coding from scratch is not what we want to be doing. Like, we need to actually move strategically this time. We can't just be moving like we are playing around. So yeah, that's kind of like really important. Canonical definitions. Okay, this phase directly implements 3 required points for canonical definition using the newly created structure. Okay. Was it explicitly stated? We are moving quickly, John. We are moving quickly. I don't like what Cursor is doing. Why are you changing the readme, bro? Like, follow the steps, bro. I just say step by step. What the fuck? Can't do that. That was our first chatter, bro. That was our first chatter, my guy. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. Appreciate it. Thing has gone and messed up everything already. Bruh. This is what I'm talking about. AI, man. It's built to make you fail, bro. I'm of the belief that AI is built to make you fail. Like, you gotta. I don't even know, man. Now, stopping it at this point is like, bruh. You dig? It's like, bro, it's already done a lot of damage. I mean, look how many lines of code. It's done over 1,000 lines of code. These little steps, man. It's so frustrating, bro. Shared schema directory for your scalable TypeScript project. So what has it done so far? Mandatory store ID in all schemas, tenant context validation utility, type safe tenant scoping, Create tenant scoped. Okay, you need to understand this shit more. Comprehensive schema coverage, tenant management, subdomain routing, status tracking, solution management, store configuration, user management, product access, production ready utilities, validation utilities, UID, email, okay, monorepo structure, ready for integration. Store dependencies, build package, generate test files. Bro, I hope he just follows my fucking steps, man, and stop doing whatever the hell he wants to do, man. God, I hate when AI just goes off and does what is on his mind. Was that step 2 or step 1? I think now is where we proceed, right? To like phase 2. I'm still going to move as slowly as I wanted to move, right? If it has done it before, then it should just shut the fuck up, right? Wow. So I was just shit talking for now. Like God, I feel so bad. Forgive me. These steps are pivotal. They immediately enforce maintenance rules to ensure communication schema can be securely received by the API. But the unit tests are missing, okay? So now I think this is just for stage 1, right? So we got stage 2 still in the works. And we got the super base data isolation using store ID. So after this, I think I'm going to get the current position of where we are again, and then proceed from there. I'm always very skeptical running all these tests, bro. To be honest with you. Let's kind of like hold up on the test first, please. Oh, actually need to run tests so I can know what is broken, if any. Why I continue the test. So I know that tests make you scared because you're scared of the errors, but the essence of us doing all that planning is so that we can find these errors early and put an end to them before they turn into something else. Right, boys? We gotta wait, man. I don't think we have to wait for this one product to finish doing, but trying to avoid that working on it on one page type shit, Still waking up, bro. Still waking up those bones, bro. What's the time? See, we've already gone a couple of minutes till like 6:30 right now. It's almost 6:30. So that's that. If you're watching live, please leave a like on the video. It goes a long way for the channel. Please leave a like on the video. It goes a long way for the channel. Appreciate all of you that tuned in. Appreciate y'all. We're trying to run tests right now and see where we are in the implementation phase. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you so much for coming through. Leave a like on the video. It means a lot to the channel. It helps us grow, helps us get better. I appreciate it. Alright, so I think the test is ready now. Let's see what's going on with the test. Let's try to go into the window and see what's going on. Let's open the terminal. So it says done. I wonder if that's a good sign. I see we're able to catch an error. Let me read this error. Leaf cycle test failed. Unhandled rejection. explain these errors. So I need to get a rule for explaining and catching errors. So in the past, I've already just copied and pasted it because that's what they say you should do. But I don't think that's a smart way to make this thing. Need a rule for catching errors. So if we can get like a good rule for like catching these errors early. So we have an error rule. We had to create an error rule for ourselves. Let's get a description in there. So the description of this is going to be possibly robust error handling, prevention, and troubleshooting. Yeah, this is robust error handling and troubleshooting. Then we have to use this. Not that my approach is actually what actually goes. I wonder. The approach I'm taking is pretty different. Thank you guys for coming through to the stream. I appreciate it. Please like the video. It goes a long way for the channel. We try to apply for a pitch competition to carry GetReech to where it could get more exposure, get more investors, and possibly help us in our development. But when we tried to sign up for it, it was already too late, so we couldn't do it on stream, and we missed that opportunity. But the idea behind it is that even if we miss that opportunity, the next step is actually to build the product and get it into the hands of the beta users as fast as possible. So right now, what we're doing today is that we're kind of structuring the back end. We're structuring how the project would work. We're doing all the back end logic, the configurations. The idea behind GetReech is that we want users to come, they need to sign up on the platform. When they sign up, they can create a store just by chatting. So when they create the store is dynamically rendered for them, and then they can access their store on a different domain, which we already implemented a subdomain structure here. So a multi-tenancy subdomain structure is already implemented. So they're able to access this domain or their store on a different domain, kind of like how Shopify works. And for the back end, we want to use Medusa.js for the back end. So it's a pretty hacked together project, but yeah, there's a vision behind it. Why are we using? Let me read what's going on here. Test schemas, store config.schema test. Okay, let's see what's going on there. I think it's using the file I'm using. It's invite test. That's what we want to see right now. I'm using this shitty ass model. I think after this prompt, I'm going to change it to a better prompt. I'm definitely changing it to a better prompt. I don't want to use this prompt anymore. This model has been a pain in my ass for too long. So we're gonna change that. But before we do all that, let's go and see what's next on our product development list. We still haven't implemented this, so I'm gonna take this. This is why I wanted to avoid testing till the end, but since we already have specs, it's good for us to test step by step. It helps us keep in our composure. You have to always maintain composure. Because TypeScript, okay, this is what's left with this prompt. So now I have to give this. You got an idea? It says we can have 3. Oh shit! Did I just mess that up? Alright, perfect. It's not destroyed. I thought I lost all my progress out there. Try radical approach issue. Yo, I need to tell this shit needs to work, man. If it doesn't work this time, I'm gonna ask it what is the issue, and then we can move on from there. For now, we just need to go slowly and trust that the AI knows what it's doing. Anyway, for you guys that are curious about the project and really want to see what we're actually building here and that we are not wasting our time, right? I'm going to open our website for you so you can actually understand the project to a point. So instead of me doing all the explanation, this is what our store is. I hope you guys are still here. Okay, we lost some people, but okay. This is what the store is about. As you all know, it's my dream to really solve this problem for Africans. They don't really have a lot of opportunities like this. So this is the vision. We're trying to create AI agents for e-commerce brands, and the hope is that eventually, right, these brands are able to create their stores kind of like Shopify, but at a cheaper price. And also it's a good buck. It's also a good project for us to test our capabilities. Anyway, let's see where our code is right now. What are we doing? Oh my god, this is really W stream. This is a W stream. Come on, boys, we can get it. It took an L yesterday, right? My instinct was to sleep. I didn't want to come and stream, but I realized that life is all about consistency. Life is about deliberate action, right? Improving on what you've done before and doing it over and 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 over again. That's what life is about, bro. It's about mastery. It's about the love for the game, I mean, if you don't love the game, you can't get better at it. So I'm not gonna let one setback, derail me from what I love to do, right? I love to code, man. I can't explain it. It's just something about writing or letting AI do this whole part and creating something that you actually want to use. So that's that. And I hope you guys can see this. I keep dropping videos on my Instagram. Please follow me on Instagram, RuSamoGP. I think on my next stream I'm going to try and put it on the bottom so you guys can actually see it and follow along. But anyway. too much time. I don't like the time it's taking. Let's see if I can change this shit to. Yeah, it's already. Oh, that's cool. I can't believe I've not been cloning with Claude all this while. I've been cloning with something else. Oh, it did cancel. Sometimes AI agents get stuck in a loop and they keep. Sometimes AI agents get stuck in a loop and they keep making the same mistake. Here's my I can't share my rules. That rules is kind of a lot. I want to know the problem so I can guide I think we have to make this our knowledge base a bit more robust. Yeah, we have to do that. Define the issue. And this is not this very. I've heard that windsurf is pretty good, but I've not tried windsurf before. There's this influencer that was talking about windsurf. I think people have their preference, right? I once started using this app, right? It's been phenomenal for me. I'm not gonna lie to you. Cursor has not just been phenomenal for me. It has not given me any issues. I've not hated anything. It's just been so good for me. I'm not gonna lie. But anyway, let's see. I think I just made my rules now. Critical rule, loop intervention, and defensive architecture. Alright. Alright, let's get it. Defensive is crazy. I put it in there. Make sure to use at error at best I think I am at this point. So let's see what it does. So I'm going to proceed to the next step. Oh my god. Just a quick 1 hour video. I think we might do another stream, or I will work on this later. I'm thinking of going somewhere else, somewhere interesting today, Today is the first day of the fucking month, bro. It's the first day of the month. This is a new energy. Chat, this is new energy. Like alright, let me see. What does it say? I understand. Loop intervention analysis. I can see several troubleshooting loops when several okay with the Vitess post conversion. Question to better understand your needs. Test framework preference. Do you have a strong preference for using Vitest? And would you be okay with a simpler approach? Okay, testing goals. Here I go to verify. Just verify schema correctly. Full test suite. I just want to check if the schemas are correct. My goal is this. See, that's the thing about AI, right? It most likely has already solved the problem, but because of its programming and because it's trying to, it's like a very enthusiastic student, right? Because it's trying to do too much, now it ends up doing too much. Do you understand? Like, it's crazy. Two tests failed. Okay, we had 2 tests failed, right? Let's run it and see. Let's run it. So I'm having I don't like this Vitess configuration. Oh shit, we're good. I told you, bro. Like I'm used to seeing these issues over and over again. So it gives you this knowledge. Oh my god, I can't explain it. It comes with mastery, bro. So we got that done. If the advite test is not useful anymore, please remove it from the code pages. And the good thing is that we made the AI give us reports based on any test we run, right? So check out this file, for instance. We have a summary of what the problem we just faced now and the implementation strategy we used to remove it from our code base, and now we're back to blue. It's simple, straightforward. So anyway, let's move on. So we're in next phase. The next step is to actually get, like I said, from 6. So let's get from 6 ready. So after this, I'm pretty satisfied with this, right? I'm pretty satisfied with this. Bro. Success. God, I love winning. Got a lot of MD files out here, bro. Why we have so much markdown files? It's crazy. Shouldn't have that much markdown files. Anyway, so back to Notion. So Notion is telling us this is the next step. go, boys. So I'm just excited to be done with this phase so we can move on to the next phase. We have multiple phases to work with actually. I think where I'm following it from is our ChatGPT blog. So top level, bridge and unify the models. We are going to finish with this now. Then next step is to integrate Medusa as a comments layer, and then the API layer and context. Okay. Then shared packages and dynamic UI. Alright. Then the front end changes and renderer. Okay. Then the auth and admin. So auth comes last. Last time I did auth first. Okay, so auth comes last, and then the question and answer, QA, quality assessment, migration, CI, and deploy. Alright, simple, straightforward. We have 7 steps, right? We have to do it in order. So this is the plan. This is our golden nugget. It's our golden nugget. I did a lot of research to get to this point. It wasn't just one generation. Trust me, you're not gonna get this with one generation, bro. You just go home, bro. You're not gonna do that. You need to continuously, test the project and know where you are, where you stand in certain places. So anyway, that's that. Let's see what the app is doing. Do we run it? Do we run a test? Okay, makes sense now. Just because it's where we are. Makes sense. This is for the packages. All these things stored in these packages and shared. I don't know why. I don't like it or I don't fuck with it so much like that. Oof. Damn. Our mvm.local is packed. Packed, I tell you. I have to check if it's already implemented. This part I have to check if it's already implemented, the backend logic. I'm seeing some red. No, what's going on there? Duplicate type errors. The main issues are duplicate type errors, process.env.node, env access issues with strict indexing. Schemas, recursive type issues, and export conflicts. Alright. I hope you know what you're doing. Guys, don't play with fire. Don't do this in unsupervised environments. Have a coding partner, have a friend that you code with. It's very important. Please subscribe to the channel. Please, I beg you, subscribe to the channel. You have no idea how important it is to me. You guys, you're going to help the channel grow, help this get to the right audience. I need you guys to subscribe to the channel, show some love to the boy, This is our first stream, so I'm still going to continue working on it, but I got to go by around 7. It's just a quick stream from, we started around 5:40 today. We woke up a bit later, so moving forward, when we wake up earlier, when we have like earlier streams, we're going to start by 5 to 7, so a quick 2-hour streams, then get the day started. But yeah, anyway, I just wanted to put that out there. We're already in phase 2 of the first step. So now I think, are we using Prisma? Okay, we're using Prisma. I see we're using Prisma, but let me see if I can get some Prisma schema from up here. Actually, I They should have, definitely should have Schema. If they don't have Prisma, I'm going to be disappointed. Yeah. And for you, those of you guys that don't know, I already make e-commerce websites, right? I already use Medusa.js for my sites. I'd say that Medusa is the best to use as an alternative to Shopify, because not only do you get robust, e-commerce functionality, you're able to also add and edit it, meaning that you can add payment infrastructure that are not available on Shopify. Like, I don't think that Shopify has some payment integrations. They have robust payment integration, but not everything. So you could actually get like pretty nice payment integration from these other platforms. And yeah, I think that you can also use payload CMS. You can do a lot with Medusa. It's just that it's a bit tricky because every time that they move to a new version, everything just collapses. There's fire on the mountain, but hopefully this is just an MVP to get a funding. And once we get enough capital, my dream is to transform this thing from just a normal website. I want it to actually be Web3 based, but don't let it go out yet. That's our competitive edge. Shopify does not support any crypto transactions. And why doesn't it support any crypto transactions? That doesn't make any sense. That shows that they're trying to centralize. Our platform is going to be different. And I know, Chad, I haven't mentioned this before, but that is the trick behind it. We're going to go into having, I didn't find it here. Wow, there's no Prisma out here. Anyway, I think there's enough documentation outside of Prisma. What's going on here? Okay. Please like the video, guys. I love you guys. Like the video. Please like the video. It's gonna help us a lot grow the channel. Although we have to end the stream in a bit. I promise you guys, I'm not going to stop streaming. I'm not going to stop. I'm going to keep going. Right? So I know it's a short stream today, just an hour today, because we're doing the daily streams, and it's a new month, so it is going to be a new kind of effort and energy being put into this. So what's going on here? Taking a lot of time. Yo, I need to get this thing done quickly. What's up? What are you doing? We exited with some codes, errors. Let's fix the remaining issues. What are the remaining issues? How about I put it to use those dots? Let me see. True. That's what. So we already have these lined up for the next process. Where's the prompt? Yeah. We already have these lined up. We have a goal and we have different set of iteration middleware. works, still works, still works. We gotta round it up right now. Can't take too much time. Can't take too much time. I might be back live by 7, but it's unlikely. The next stream will be later in the evening. But I just wanted to put this in, get the shift down, get the shift working. Thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. I appreciate it so much. Thank you guys for coming through. But if you're willing to see the grind, I want you guys to actually engage in this. Show me what you're building. Put in your codes. If you have any errors, show me the errors. We can debug it right live on stream. And let's help each other grow. That's my goal with this. I want to build a community of builders. Not people that just like give up. It helps me improve. It helps you improve. It helps all of us. So if you're having issues with your code and you want to learn how to code properly, just reach out, my bro. Reach out, my bro. I got you. Bro, it's still, what's the time right now? It's almost 7. Come on, Cursor, don't do this to me. Did you just stop? I could just push this, but I want to see what it's doing. It's taking a lot of time. Time that I don't have. Could add a new segment. This is something I've noticed about this AI, right? Sometimes it randomly just stops just to see what you do. And I've grown very impatient with that. I don't let it do that anymore. It's bad request. Keep off first of all. Then tell it 7 o'clock. Chad, I gotta go. I have a church service to attend to, and this has to wait. So thank you guys for tuning in yet again. I appreciate it. I appreciate you for coming on board. Thanks for those